Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to maximize your playtime on CloudMoon, the popular cloud gaming platform. CloudMoon allows you to stream hundreds of high-quality games directly to your device, even if it has low specifications. We will explore various strategies to significantly extend your gaming sessions and enjoy more continuous play without interruptions. Get ready to dive deeper into your favorite titles. CloudMoon provides a free tier, allowing you to start playing without immediate cost. To extend your free sessions, you can often watch short advertisements, which typically grant a few extra minutes of gameplay. Additionally, keep an eye out for special in-app events or promotions. These frequently offer bonus play time or other valuable rewards to active users. For truly extended or unlimited play, a premium CloudMoon subscription is the most effective solution. These plans eliminate all time restrictions, allowing you to enjoy uninterrupted gaming sessions. Premium access often includes enhanced graphics, reduced latency, and a broader selection of games. Subscriptions typically start at around $4 to $6 per month, offering great value for dedicated players. To make the most of your CloudMoon experience, a stable internet connection is crucial. Aim for at least 55 megabits per second for optimal streaming. Close any unnecessary background applications on your device to free up resources. You can also adjust in-game graphics settings to a lower quality if you experience any lag, ensuring a smoother and more enjoyable cloud gaming session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.